Here in the studio, we do everything from 360 photography to e-commerce and web photography. We also have the capabilities to handle a full styled fashion shoot. Sometimes a client will need to replace an image because a sample came back different or the print on a t-shirt's incorrect. So what we do is we duplicate the lighting situation behind us and we actually drop in the new image. Something, for example, would be a dress that's blowing in the wind. Seems easy, but it's actually very difficult. We have to take 40 or 50 shots of this dress blowing, and then we finally get the one that replaces the shot. By doing this, it actually saves the customer a lot of money because to produce the level of shoots that they're producing, it would be days and a lot of dollars to reproduce that. Here at Artisan, we have the capabilities to truly be a one-stop shop for our clients. We can do everything from styling, photography, and all the way to print. It's a huge cost saving for the client. There's a lot of value in being able to house all of your production in one company.